Okay, hey, 42 days of Keto Chow. Today is 14. I just got done with my day job. Today is actually the second to the last day and probably the last full day. Um, so that's kind of exciting, a little bit scary, but I'm moving forward. It was kind of sad saying goodbye to everybody, the people who I've been working with. I'm sure I'm going to be seeing them again, so that isn't a big deal, but it's just kind of it's the next phase. Um, Last night, excuse me, last night my wife had made a bunch of pulled pork for the kids for dinner because her and I are doing 100% keto chow for these experiments, but well, the kids still need to eat. And if we have food ready for them, it's a whole lot easier rather than a lot of times the default is just kind of crap, we forgot to make anything, so they grab low carb tortillas, which they have 5 grams of net carbs each, but so they're not bad, but they're not the best thing. But they don't have screwed up metabolisms either. But they'll just grab that, melt a bunch of cheese, and throw some turkey or some other meat on there, and I guess that works. But last night we had pulled pork, and it smelled amazing. And the kids were all doing stuff, so I was putting stuff together, and I got the table set, but other kids were doing homework on the table at the same time, and so I just made a bunch of plates and put the pork on them, and I came so close to eating some of it because it was right there and it smelled so good, but I didn't do it. So you're welcome. um, Also, speaking of not eating food, today at my last day, it was kind of a brainstorming session. We were trying to figure out some solutions to problems that people had had, and it usually is best if we just get everybody together in a room and just work at it for a day or two, and just hammer out all the stuff. And our product manager, Penny, she's awesome. Best product manager we've ever had that I don't really have anymore. But she, whenever we do something like this, she always brings in a bunch of food. And it's always really amazing food. And she was making chicken noodle soup that I wouldn't have eaten anyway. But she texted me a couple days ago and she's like, "Are you doing heavy cream yet?" I'm like, "No, I'm not." She's like, "Dang." I didn't say even if I was, I wouldn't be able to have it because it wouldn't fit into my calories unless I cut out heavy cream. Because she knows that the proper way to drink root beer is with heavy cream. It's just kind of what we do now on that team. And so she brought a bunch of diet root beer and heavy cream, and I drank the root beer because I am doing diet soda and sugar-free gum during this experiment because I don't need the data that clean. But yeah, so it was kind of, well, they all said goodbye to me, and I was like, hey. And strangely enough, the guy who, when I started that job, I was sharing a cubicle area with another guy, and he just happened to be there that day. It was kind of funny. I worked there from 2008 until, well, May of 2008 until now, January of 2018. So just shy of 10 years rather. So, but moving on, I get to start paying for Cobra next month. That'll be great for my insurance. But yeah, and tomorrow, hey, tomorrow it'll be fun. I get to go in and do my blood test, and then immediately from there, drive back to my work for my last time. I'm going to be doing my exit interview. I already did. They had it was actually a Qualtrics survey asking me questions about how much I enjoyed the job and blah blah blah. And so I already did that, but this is more of a formal sit down interview. So get to do that tomorrow, and then I'm not sure what's going to happen for the rest of the day if I'm because I had a laptop issued by the company. I already wiped it clean. I actually didn't just wipe it clean. I actually wiped it clean, zeroed it, using an SSD erase utility and then installed Ubuntu on it with an encrypted drive. So, just because I don't want any of my personal stuff on there, so it's a clean laptop. I even took off all my stickers. They're now on my new laptop that's right there. I have a, this is way more information than anybody probably wants, but if you remember Strong Bad emails, there was a Strong Bad email where somebody asked Strong Bad if he had ever done any voices for truck shows or something like that. I think, and he says, well, there is one coming up this Sunday. Anyway, there's a fake band called Limousine. And if you bought the CD, Strong Bad Sings, it came with a sticker for Limousine. And that sticker, this will be the 4th or 5th laptop I've put it on. And it frays up at the edges. And so I have a Keto Chow sticker holding down one of the corners and a couple of other stickers holding down the other one. So, weird anecdote. If you ever see me and see my laptop, that's what the Limousine sticker is about. So, anyway, I should probably go home now. I gotta go help my oldest boy. He doing a science fair project, and it's a little windy, but I think we'll still be able to do this stuff. So, anyway, catch you tomorrow.